Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to generate a security code on the HSBC app. First, take your phone and open the HSBC mobile banking app. You do not need to log in yet. On the main screen, look at the bottom area. You will see an option that says Generate Security Code. Tap on that option to continue. If you are already logged in, you can also find this option inside the menu of the app. Next, the app will ask you to choose the type of action. You will usually see three options. These are log on, transaction signing, and re-authentication. Select the option that matches what you are trying to do. After that, you will be asked to confirm your identity. You can do this by entering your mobile banking PIN. If your phone supports it, you can also use biometrics like Face ID, Touch ID, or your fingerprint. Follow the method that you have already set up on your device. Once your identity is confirmed, the app will generate a 6-digit security code. This code will appear on your screen. It is temporary, so you should use it right away. Now go back to the online banking screen where you are asked for the security code. Carefully type in the 6-digit code exactly as shown in the app. That is how you generate a security code using the HSBC app. Thanks for watching.